Welcome back to our channel. So, today we explore the fascinating and perilous world of moving oversized machine loads with those biggest and baddest heavy equipment machines. And transporting these products needs a significant skill, laser-sharp accuracy, and knowledge to be operated properly. Check out the impressive machinery and the operators that run them in these transport titans of the world in this series. So let's start these two next up, the haul trucks. These monsters are built to haul a whole house through the desert. Haul trucks, with their massive size and engines, are powerful machines capable of carrying hundreds of tons of material per trip. Finally, seeing these behemoths in action is a sight in itself, as they tear their way through some challenging environments, demonstrating just the level of engineering and skill that goes into them. We continue this week by going through the world of modular transporters that are generally referred to as self-propelled modular transporters, SPMTs. Industrial and military-grade machines help to transport large structures including bridges, ships and cargo. Due to the number of axles and wheels, SPMTs are capable of careful maneuvering by steering individual axles. The fact this giant loads can be moved in a precise and safe manner really shows the skill of the crane operator at work. To aid them carrying out such complex maneuvers, an assortment of extremely advanced technology options is available. Move a larger load can be difficult to navigate in smaller, tighter urban areas within the city. This is where driver skill and the ingredient of steerable dollies, with numerous configurations available to suit the multitude of appreciable bends. Some of these dollies even have adjustable points to position loads to ensure optimal weight distribution and navigate around obstacles. When one of these beasts, or six, navigates their way through, an LA team of operators take the reins, carefully guiding each piece to locations off the main roads, around tight turns. The bulky and heavy cargo by using huge cranes. They are able to transport tons of materials and position with amazing precision. Nowadays, advanced control systems and safety features are integrated in modern cranes, allowing operators to successfully complete complicated lifts with enhanced efficiency and safety. Introducing a large crane lifting equipment to be placed exactly where it needs with this much precision is really an example of engineering and operator excellence. Lowboy trailers are also vital for the advancing over dimensional cargoes. With a low deck height, they can haul tall heavy machinery and still be stable. The work of loading and securing the behemoths onto lowboy trailers is a complex process that calls for exacting care in preparation and execution. Seeing oversized machines being carried by lowboy trailers over miles of different terrains is a testament to the efficiency in transport engineering. We also have those amazing roll-on, roll-off (RORO) ships that are in play within the maritime transport world. The ships are roll-on, roll-off vessels, which means they're intended to deliver wheeled cargo like trucks and heavy equipment that gets driven on and off. The loading and unloading of these enormous ships need to be just as efficient and organized for global trade. The sight of a RORO ship maneuvering such massive cargo with such ease was a demonstration of the crew's expertise and an illustration of how these ships are engineered. Specialized transport companies are often custom-built from specialized and heavy equipment to withstand extreme loads. Engineered to the specifications of the cargo, these custom systems are designed to safely Efficiently getting your cargo from A to B is our top priority, and so we ensure safe transport with engineered to perfection solutions which prove to complete control on maximum potential of door safety locks integration. The innovation and competence required to tailor these unique transportation solutions demonstrate the creativity and expertise of custom abilities in the sector. Oversized transport. The most stunning thing is that it makes use of escort vehicles and coordination teams. These crews get the oversized loads through public thoroughfares, moving safely, controlling traffic and helping them to negotiate obstacles. For all that, the conveyance vehicles as well as escorting team must be in synchronization with local law enforcement jurisdiction for proper operation. This is teamwork and skill at precision, an orchestrated tapestry of safety. There are special concerns that go along with bridge and tunnel transport, such as height and width restrictions. operator must plan the transport, correctly maneuver at all time and avoid any kind of obstacle to guarantee a safe transportation both for the load and infrastructure. The skill involved in maneuvering these obstacles is massive, and the successful grocery delivery down these narrow corridors is a sight to behold. Apart from rail transportation, oversized loads are also shipped via air, in freight aircrafts, like the Antonov AN-225 Moriah. They are built to move the heaviest and bulkiest cargo over thousands of miles. The level of skill and precision required to load, secure, and fly these giant loads is amazing. Seeing it all happen in air is a thrilling show of both aviation ability and engineering prowess. Next, there's the specialized hydraulic jacks and skidding systems for moving heavy things in smaller surroundings. Since they are able to control large load and move them with accuracy, they are indispensable in any industrial or construction undertaking. It is a marvel of technology and skill to be able to lift and shift these large loads with such finesse. Thanks for watching this trip through the limit of power and hazard in moving enormous loads using huge machines. The operations represent the remarkable expertise, accuracy and engineering that are needed for some of the most difficult transport tasks in the world. If you like the video, remember to like, share and subscribe for more great stuff about heavy machines and extreme operation. So until our next foray into awesome engineering and cool tech, later.